Hi guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with another great pick that I found on Amazon, specifically for those who are creating content and want to make sure that your audio comes through beautifully, pro and crisp. What I'm talking about? The Mini Mic Pros. The Mini Mic Pros are fantastic because you get one that's for outdoors, so the sound, the wind blowing, the little fuzzy part keeps that from disturbing the sound quality. Then you have the round, flat one that's perfect for you when you're indoors. What else is perfect? You get two, not just one, but two. So if you need a backup or if you need to partner with someone, you have two mics that are fantastic to work. They're not super expensive, which is another great boost. When you're a content creator, you don't want to have to spend too much, particularly if you're starting out new and you have a smaller budget. These will be perfect for you. You just attach the little piece at the bottom of your phone. It comes with an adapter, so it works for multiple devices, and you can have it clipped or you can hold it, and there's one of each. So you get another fuzzy and another flat. These are great. The sound quality is pro. Mini Mic Pro did a great job with these. I'd highly recommend them, and add those to your content creator toolkits.